Hi you guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be making my favorite maple brown sugar oat milk latte. I use Nespresso products. So I have my little Ethiopia capsule from their new collection. They got rid of all the old pure origin capsules. So this is from the new collection. So let's begin. I have my little Nespresso cup. This is, I think, the Cappuccino size. I may be wrong. So we're gonna begin with putting in my capsule into my machine. And I'm gonna press the lungo button, which is usually the biggest cup, and the little icon. Now, smells amazing. We're going to move on. I have half a teaspoon of brown sugar right here. We're gonna put that into the cup. And now we're going to use some Canadian maple syrup. Thank you, Trader Joe's. It's like the only place I can find Canadian maple syrup. And we're going to pour a teaspoon of maple into the espresso. And we're just gonna mix that in there, just so you can see it's all that delicious sweetness. And the last thing we need to do is our 1/4 of a cup of oat milk. I like to use the Oatly oat milk. They're selling it in a lot more places now. So I got mine from Whole Foods, but you can find it at Target as well. And thankfully my machine has an built-in frother. So I'm not a huge fan of like a ton of foam, and there's not a whole lot of space in this cup for a ton of foam. So we're gonna use the lowest level on the machine to do a normal amount. Add in the frothed oat milk and then we'll be done. Okay, I'm not a barista, you guys, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna get a tiny bit of foam. Okay, you guys, so that was my quick recipe for my Nespresso brown sugar maple syrup deliciousness. And I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and if you like more videos like this, which are pretty quick and easy, just let me know and I'll try and work on those for you. But there are going to be more drink and food videos in the future. So until next time, bye!